Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And that's what you'll get whenever you come to this channel. I'm telling you, you'll love it here. And welcome to today's video. Today it's all about being a baddie on a budget. If I can get the look for less and it's a good quality look, I'm going with the look for less. So today's haul, I am featuring products from Rainbow. Rainbow, the Blue Bag Boutique. That's what I saw it called on someone else's channel. I didn't come up with that. I'm just showing you the newest pieces that I have in my closet that comes from Rainbow. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. Up first, I want to show you the handbags that I picked up. Now, when I saw these bags, they were just screaming Ursula, especially this one. She is a cutie patootie. I love this bag because she is different. I just love the look of it. It has these two handles. There's nothing keeping it closed. You just put your belongings in and you hold it like this. This is the inside. It's like a little bucket bag. Oh, look, the receipt. I've already worn this one. If you follow me, you've seen her. I wore her to church, but this bag is just so cute to me, and it was definitely calling my name. The next bag when I saw that one, I then saw this one. She's just a super cute, simple, when I say small, very small bag. She's actually crossbody style. Let me show you. Let me step back. See? Crossbody style, and she hits at the right place, like right here. I love it. I love the color of her. And then if you don't want to wear her crossbody style, she does have a little handle here, 2 buttons. I haven't worn her yet. This is the inside. It looks as though I can put my portable charger, my lip gloss, just the important things that I need the most. And look, she was only $16.99, 17 bucks. And then this is the last bag that I picked up. Super cute. Y'all know I love leopard. If you don't know, if it is your first time here and you don't know, I love leopard. I love animal print. And go watch the Get to Know Me video. But I love how she's made in the front. This is the back. I love the strap. She can go on my arm. She can go on my shoulder. I said my arm, but she can go on my arm too. But I can carry her on my shoulder. I can carry her on my arm. My hand, just super cute. And she also has 2 buttons. I have not worn her yet. This is the inside. My phone can fit inside of this bag. She's cute. And what I really loved about this bag and what made me get it, the leopard has the black. You know, not all leopard has black. Some have more brown in it, like the light and the dark brown. But this one has the black. And so I love that about this bag, and I wanted it. She was also $16.99. So that's all of the handbags. Now I'm getting into the shoes. And I picked up 2 pair of heels. The first pair of heels that I'm about to show you are heels that I have worn several times. But I wanted to show you in this haul because I got those when I bought all these items. And I just decided, you know what? Let me bring a rainbow haul to my girls. Yeah, I'm sorry, I keep moving it, but I don't want my lash to look like it's hanging down. Anyway, these are the heels. These are the heels. Now let me show you something. You see this? These are designer inspired. These are designer inspired by Gianni Beanie. It's a more expensive brand that's carried in Dillard's. You see the price of these heels? Okay, well these heels, at the time that I purchased them, they were $29.99. My type of price point. They are super cute. They're actually my favorite pair of shoes at the moment because they are platform. Platform shoes are easier for me to walk in than just a regular skinny stiletto heel. And I will put these on with anything because, honey, to me, in my fashion world, leopard is a neutral. It's like a nude for me. So when I have anything on, baby, I'm wearing the leopard heels, okay? And then next up, these are another pair of platforms that I invested in. These are a patent leather black platform. I have been wanting a pair of black platforms, not necessarily patent leather, but these were on sale for $15 and I just could not pass that up. So I went ahead and got me a pair of black patent leather platforms. They fit good. I have fat feet, so anytime there's anything across the shoe, like across the front of the shoe, a strap across here, I have to be really careful because, like I say, my feet are fat and it would be very uncomfortable. But honey, my feet slide right into these and they feel good, they fit good, and I love them. 15 bucks, can't beat that. Now I did pick up a scarf. This scarf was also calling my name because she's leopard, super cute leopard scarf. And I just wanted her because we're now in the fall season and you know what comes after fall? Winter. Although I reside in Houston and we typically don't just have real cold days all the time, but we do get a little bit of winter like January, February. And honey, I can wear my scarf to church or to dinner or wherever. Just a super cute accessory. Your accessories are the exclamation point to your outfit. Remember that. So your accessories will bring your outfit from 0 to 100 real quick. Always accessorize. You could take the most simple look, and when you add a scarf and a handbag, you become a baddie. And then you're a baddie on a budget because you didn't spend a lot of money. Next up, now I'm getting into the boots. I picked up a few pairs of boots because I didn't have any boots in my collection. I think I got rid of a lot of boots last season because I had been having them. I didn't wear them a lot, but I had been having them a while, and honey, shoes dry rot. Now, I don't know if it's the cheap shoes because I don't own a pair of expensive shoes. So a lot of my boots, the leather has started peeling off, and because they were cheap. I mean, I didn't spend a lot of money on them. So I had to re-up on boots this season. And I want to be a Zara girl so bad, but they $109. Now, let me be real with you for a moment. They're $109 and I could have gotten them because I could have used my Klarna. I just have a problem with paying this amount of money outright, like just all outright when I don't have it like that. So I was like, let me just see what Rainbow have. Let me just check out Rainbow and let me just see what they have before I just spend $109. And honey, whoo, when I tell you, they had a pair of boots that are similar. Now look, I said good quality for the low, okay? Now, the Zara boot does look a little bit more expensive and she does look a little bit like the boot. Let me just show you. Check them out. I'm gonna have to back up a little bit so you can see. But check them out. What y'all think? I mean, I'm sorry, but $30 as opposed to $109, I'm going with the 30. Now, if they didn't look good to me on the website, or even when I got them in person, I would have returned them and then I would have purchased the Zara boots. I'm keeping them. They look good. They may have a little bit more of a shine, and I guess that's associated with being a little bit less expensive. I don't know, but they're fine. The way they fit like a slouch boot. And then it has the kitten heel, like 2-inch heel, which is also perfect for me because honey, at this point in my life, if they're not that platform heel, it's so hard for me to walk in the heels. And I mainly wear heels to church. And when I tell you from the parking lot to the door, feet be on burn. So these heels on this boot, perfect. And then when I was on that Zara website, if I get a pair of black boots, I need a pair of brown boots. I don't need, well, actually it is a need, but it's also a want. But I saw these brown boots and they even more expensive than the black ones. I saw the black boots and the brown boots on Zara first before I went to Rainbow's website. But then when I saw those black boots on Rainbow website, honey, I saw these. Now they not as tall as the black, but baby, they will do. Now coming on the camera, they look a little bit lighter than they actually look in person. They are truly a chocolate brown in person. They looking a little milk chocolate on the camera, but they're darker than that. They are so nice. Kitten heel, they feel good, they fit good, they slouch. Like, I love everything about them. And $30, $29.99. That's way better than $219. And then I have one last boot. She's more on the UGG style, more on the calm, relaxed style. Let me just show you. Animal print, honey. Leopard, cheetah, I don't know what she is, but I love her. And she has the platform, super cute. She's kind of slouch. The inside, cushiony. This boot is just nice. And she was $29.99 also. All three pairs, $29.99. I got 3 for the price of 1. Now for me, I love getting more bang for my buck. I'm going to put her on with one of the looks that I got. I did get one other item, one other accessory, which is a hat. And since I don't physically have the hat right here, I left the hat in the car. But this is the hat, super cute fedora. I love a fedora and she fit perfect over my locks. So that was, ooh, that was a plus. Guess how much she was? $7.99. $7.99. And the quality of this hat is your accessories are the exclamation point to your outfit. Now, let's get into the two-piece sets. I love a two-piece set. Two-piece sets are easy breezy outfits. They're no-brainers. You don't have to do much. Now, the quality with their clothing, the quality sometimes varies. Up first, I have this two-piece set. As you can see, honey, she is super cute. Wide leg, elastic around the waist. When I say great stretch, spandex is a curvy girl's best friend. So I love an item that has excellent stretch. The top also stretchy. The top has the side slits. One side is side slit on one side. The other side is regular. As you can see, she's just a simple, super cute outfit. And honey, the next one I absolutely love because it's a two-piece set, but it's more like the athleisure two-piece set that you can dress up or down. This is the top. She comes with the hood attached. Y'all see that? The stones that are on there. And these are the pants. They're more like joggers. It has the elastic around the bottom, but the stones are throughout the pants, just on the front. They don't have them on the back, which I'm so glad. These pants were $15.97. They were not sewed together. The pieces are not sewed together. So the pants are $15.97. The top, the hoodie is $16.97. And it's the same way. It's not on the back. Only the jewels are only on the front. But now the sleeves, it's on both sides of the sleeves. But the body of it is just the front and it's on the hood. And you see that I paired this set with the leopard boots, the platform. Super cute because I didn't mention and let you know this set also was sold separately. So the bottoms were $12.97 and this top was $12.97, $26. And it's good quality. So if you have made it to this portion of the video, girl, you made it to the end. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for hanging out with me today. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget your notification bell because I don't want you to miss an upload. I told you, you will love it here. And if you are a fashion girl, you will love it here. Don't forget to thumbs up the video because we need to stay in the algorithm. And we need the views to go up. We need the channel to grow. And make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend all about the Boutique Baddies YouTube channel. And girl, I will see you in the next one. Same place, same channel. Have a blessed and happy holiday season. Adios.